I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the router admin now. Connect with Ethernet for reliability, open a browser, and enter the router IP. Log in using the admin credentials printed or previously set. If you don't know them, reset only as last resort. Once logged in, locate the firmware version and ensure it matches PLDT 2025 interface. This matters because menus differ between versions. Make sure to back up current settings before changing anything, so you can restore if needed. Once done, go to wireless settings and scan the available submenus for guest network or QR code generation. Some firmware places this under guest or share Wi-Fi. Click into the active SSID settings. You'll see options to enable or disable QR sharing or printable network cards. Change the toggle to off and verify that automatic QR regeneration is disabled. Make sure to apply or save changes, then wait for the router to commit. Ephemeral session, timeouts can drop you before settings persist. Finish by saving the configuration and performing a soft reboot so the new setting takes effect across services. After the reboot, test with a phone's camera or QR app to confirm the code no longer appears or connects. If the QR still shows, clear browser cache, repeat the steps, and check for multiple SSIDs or guest profiles. Sometimes a secondary guest SSID regenerates QR codes. If nothing works, factory reset and reconfigure, but restore your backup settings and reapply the disable to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.